Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, nothing seems to work? Like the answers slip away, just when you think you finally understand? This is the story of a quiet boy named Kenji, of school books and silent tears, of tiny steps, hidden roots, and the day he discovered the secret to real learning. In a small village where trees danced with the wind lived a boy named Kenji. He carried more than a backpack. He carried doubt, fear, and the weight of trying so hard. Every day he walked to school, but his steps felt heavy, not because of the books, but because of the worry in his heart. Kenji tried to keep up in class. He listened, he read, he even stayed up late studying. But the more he tried, the more things slipped away. Words floated, numbers blurred, and slowly, Kenji began to feel small. One quiet evening, Kenji walked alone through the village park. His eyes were tired. His heart was heavy. That's when he saw an old man kneeling in the dirt, planting a tiny bamboo sprout. Kenji asked, "Why are you planting bamboo? It takes forever to grow." The old man looked up with kind eyes. "My name is Grandpa Mori," he said with a smile. "And yes, bamboo does take time. But that's where the magic is. For years it looks like nothing is happening. But deep underground, the roots are growing, strong, quiet, unseen." Kenji looked down at his feet. "But what does that have to do with me?" Grandpa Mori gently replied, "You are just like the bamboo, Kenji. Even when no one sees your growth, it's happening inside you. You're not failing, you're just building roots." That night, something changed in Kenji's heart. He opened his book again, but this time, he didn't try to finish everything at once. He used a new method, something Grandpa Mori taught him. It's called Kaizen, small steps, every day. So Kenji read one page, practiced one word, solved one small problem, and he did it again the next day. And the next. Some days felt easy, some felt slow, but Kenji kept going. Grandpa Mori would smile and say, "Katsu katsu," slow and steady, not rushing, not quitting, just showing up. And little by little, Kenji felt more calm, more focused, more confident. Kenji's learning followed a simple path. Shu, follow your teacher's way. Ha, try your own methods. Ri, master it and help others. He practiced quietly, grew slowly, and even began to help his friends in class. And one day, he realized something powerful. He wasn't behind. He was just growing, in his own time. One evening, his little sister asked, "Kenji, why do you study every day now?" Kenji smiled and said softly, "Because I want to build things, help people, and create something real." That was his ikigai, his reason to learn, his reason to grow. Then came exam day. The classroom was quiet. So was Kenji. He didn't rush, he didn't panic, he just trusted the steps he had taken. And when the results came, Kenji passed. But more than that, he had learned something even greater. How to grow, even when no one is watching. How to believe in himself. As spring arrived, Kenji and Grandpa Mori sat beneath the tall bamboo trees. They swayed gently in the wind, green, strong, unshakable. "See?" Grandpa said with a smile. "Growth takes time. But once it begins, there's no stopping it." Kenji closed his eyes and smiled like sunlight. Let's remember the words Kenji discovered. Float, when something drifts away like a cloud or a thought. Kaizen, a Japanese word for small daily improvements. Kotsukatsu, quiet, steady effort over time. Shuhari, the 3 stages of learning. Follow, explore, master. Ikigai, your reason for being, your purpose. Do you ever feel like you're falling behind? Like no one sees how hard you're trying? Maybe you're just like the bamboo, growing strong beneath the surface. Take a breath, be gentle with yourself. And remember, 1 word a day, 1 page a night. That's how real learning happens. Start small, stay steady, keep going, because one day you'll rise too. If this story helped you feel a little stronger, share it with someone who needs hope today. Let's help every child, every parent, every quiet learner. Believe in their roots and bloom in their time. And if you want more stories full of hope, growth, and healing, like, subscribe, and grow with us. 1 story at a time. You got this.